You have heard videos are the best type of content that you can use in your digital marketing strategy. And video marketing is not as hard as you may think. But if you have never used videos to promote your products or services, you're probably wondering how to get started and what video marketing strategy to use to achieve your goals. Here's how to get results like these with 3 winning video marketing strategies that you can apply today and grow your awareness, skyrocket your sales, and improve customer retention. Hey, I'm Ina from Kashu, and let's get started. Video marketing essentially means using videos in your digital strategy. But before you start your video marketing campaigns, make sure you have a very clear goal in mind. Do you want to improve your brand awareness or increase the conversion rate? Maybe you want to improve your customer retention or close more sales. Make sure you set only one specific goal for each of your video campaigns. So if you already know your one goal and your target audience, let's start with video marketing strategy number 1. If you have launched a new product or service, you might want to start with an awareness campaign. That type of campaign would introduce your brand and get your name out there. First, let's talk about your video. For awareness campaigns, I would recommend you use one of these types of video: explainer videos, live action videos, behind the scenes videos. Of course, there are many different video types that you can use for your campaigns, but these are the most common ones. You'd like people to watch the full video and keep them engaged. So make sure it is short and sweet. The best length for this type of video is 30 seconds. But even if it's up to 60 seconds, that will be fine as long as it engages your audience. Once you produce your great video, it is time to market it. One way to do it is to create a behind the scenes video. I would recommend you post it on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Videos like these are very popular on these platforms. You can also promote your video on social media and upload it on your website. When you create your ads on social media, make sure that you set your goal to be getting page likes, post engagements, clicks, or even better, video plays. We have seen great results with video campaigns where the goal is video views. Since the video is not intended to sell, setting your goal for conversions will only cost you ad money. Remember that our number 1 goal here is to make a great first impression, so avoid selling anything directly in this video. One great thing about videos is that you can repurpose them. You can cut different parts of your video and use it on social media, and you can add it on your newsletter campaigns, for example. For social media ads for awareness, I would recommend you keep your video 15 to 30 seconds long. If you want to use your video to boost sales, here comes video marketing strategy number 2. Sales videos are great for improving your conversion rate and presenting your product in the best light. You can use live action, product videos, or explainer videos for sales campaigns. These videos are at the bottom stages of the funnel, so the video should show all the benefits your product or services deliver and how they would solve someone's problem. Then close with a compelling call to action. For these videos, I strongly recommend you create a high converting landing page that your viewers are directed to after watching the video. Remember that the goal of the video is to sell the click, and the goal of your landing page is to close the sale. So don't underestimate the quality and effect of the landing page. Regarding the length, the shorter the video is, the better. Since we want to make a sale through it, we want to keep your viewers' attention until the end. It needs to be catchy, snappy, and to the point. Sales videos can be used in a variety of different ways, from social media ads, Google Shopping ads, newsletters, to placing them on your e-commerce page or even direct email to prospects. All these channels have their benefits, so keep your target audience and goal in mind when you decide on a platform. Before moving forward, let me mention that our free ebook on how to create your video marketing funnel is in the description. I would recommend you check it out if you're starting out with video marketing. The 3rd video marketing strategy is my favorite. We all know that customers need at least a few touch points with your brand before purchasing. Buying a product right away without doing a bit of research or seeing an ad a few days after you have visited the website is highly unlikely. This is why retargeting campaigns are so powerful. This strategy is my favorite because it produces excellent results and the cost is relatively low. In fact, this is how we were able to get these results for a client of ours. Here's what we did. First, we created an awareness campaign with a video on Facebook and Instagram. The campaign goal was true place and the costs were very low. We got a solid amount of views on this campaign, and then we did a retargeting campaign with the sales video. The goal of the retargeting campaign was conversions, and since we show it to people who have already interacted with our previous campaign, it was a success. To run a retargeting campaign on Facebook, you need to install their pixel. And you can run retargeting campaigns on YouTube, Google, and Twitter as well. On Facebook, you can also create lookalike audiences. This is a very powerful feature too. But don't underestimate the retargeting campaigns. They can really make a difference for your business. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you like and comment below. Thank you for your time and see you next week.